Hey, Emily. It's been so long since we last talked. How are you?
Hi, Sarah. I'm doing great, thanks. How about you? What are you doing these days?
I'm doing well too. Right now, I'm working on a new project at work. It's hard, but I'm enjoying it. What about you? What are you doing?
That sounds interesting. I'm taking a course on digital marketing. It's online, so I'm studying from home. I'm also working part-time at a cafe. It keeps me busy, but I'm learning a lot.
That's awesome. Are you enjoying the course?
Yes, I am. I'm really excited about the new things I'm learning. Right now, we're learning about social media, and it's very interesting. Are you working from home too?
No, I'm going to the office. We're working on a big campaign, and everyone is very focused. I'm spending a lot of time in meetings. It's tiring, but I'm happy we're making progress.
That sounds intense. Are you finding time for yourself?
I'm trying to. I'm taking yoga classes in the evenings. It helps me relax after a long day. What about you? How are you managing your time with work and studies?
I'm balancing it as best as I can. I'm waking up early to study before my cafe shift. In the evenings, I'm doing my assignments. It's busy, but I'm managing.
It's great that you're staying organized. Are you doing anything fun in your free time?
Yes, I'm starting to paint. I'm not very good yet, but I'm enjoying it. It's a nice way to relax. What about you? Are you doing anything creative?
I wish I had more time for creative things. But right now, I'm just reading. I'm reading a mystery novel series, and it's very exciting. I'm also planning a weekend trip with friends. We're thinking of going hiking in the mountains.
That sounds like fun. I'm sure you will have a great time. I'm planning a trip too, but I'm still choosing where to go. I'm thinking of visiting a beach town for a few days to relax.
That sounds perfect. You deserve a break after all that work. Are you going alone, or is someone going with you?
I'm going with a couple of friends. We're planning everything together. We're booking the tickets this weekend. What about you? Are you going with friends too?
Yes, a few of us are going together. We're organizing everything this week. I'm really looking forward to it. It's been so long since I took a proper break.
Same here. We both need it. By the way, are you still taking those cooking classes?
No, I had to stop because of my work schedule. But I'm still practicing at home when I can. Right now, I'm trying to cook Italian food. What about you? Are you cooking anything special?
I'm trying some new recipes too. I'm really into baking right now. I'm trying to make the perfect chocolate chip cookies. It's a work in progress, but I'm getting better.
That sounds delicious. Maybe you can share the recipe with me sometime. I'm always looking for new things to try in the kitchen.
Of course. I will send it to you. We should catch up like this more often. So, Sarah, you mentioned you're reading a mystery novel series. Which one are you reading?
Oh, it's called The Detective Chronicles. I'm on the third book now. The story is so intense. Every chapter ends with a surprise, and I can't stop reading. What about you? Are you reading anything?
Yes, I am. I'm reading a book on mindfulness. It's helping me stay calm and focused, especially with everything I'm doing right now. I'm trying some of the techniques in the book. It's very interesting.
That sounds helpful. I've been thinking about trying mindfulness myself. Is it easy to add to your daily routine?
It's a bit hard at first, but I'm slowly getting the hang of it. I'm starting with just a few minutes of meditation every morning. It's surprising how much it helps with stress. Are you doing anything else for self-care besides yoga?
Yes, I'm also trying to keep a regular sleep schedule. I'm learning how important it is to get enough rest, especially with my busy work schedule. I'm also spending some time in the mornings writing in my journal. It helps me clear my mind before starting the day. What about you? How are you handling stress?
Journaling sounds like a great idea. I'm handling stress mostly through painting and exercise. I go for runs in the morning, and it's a great way to start the day. I'm also trying to eat healthier, though it's a work in progress. Are you doing anything special with your diet?
I'm trying to eat less sugar. It's tough because I love sweets, but I'm noticing a difference in my energy levels. I'm also drinking more water during the day. Little changes, but they help. Are you trying any new recipes for healthy eating?
Yes, I'm trying more plant-based meals. I'm not going fully vegetarian, but I'm eating more vegetables. Right now, I'm making different salads and smoothies. It's fun to mix and match ingredients. Are you planning to try any new diets or recipes soon?
I might try eating plant-based for a few days, just to see how I feel. I'm also interested in trying some international recipes. I'm thinking of trying to make sushi. It seems hard, but I love a good challenge. Are you into international cuisines?
I love trying new cuisines. Sushi sounds like a fun project. I'm currently really into Thai food. I'm trying to cook dishes like pad Thai and green curry at home. It's so flavorful. Do you like spicy food?
I like a little bit of spice, but not too much. I recently tried making a spicy Indian curry, and it was delicious, but almost too hot for me. I think I will stick to milder dishes for now. What about you? Can you handle a lot of spice?
I can handle some spice, but I try not to make it too strong. I love the kick that spice adds to a dish, but I'm careful not to make it too intense. Are you planning to travel anywhere soon, besides your weekend trip?
I'm planning a bigger trip later this year. I'm thinking of visiting Italy. I've always wanted to go, and I'm finally going to do it. I'm really excited about exploring the culture, the history, and the food. What about you? Any big travel plans?
Italy sounds amazing. I'm hoping to visit Japan next year. I have always been interested in their culture, and I've been learning a bit of the language. I'm really looking forward to experiencing it in person. Are you planning to learn any Italian before your trip?
Yes, I'm starting with some basic phrases. I'm using an app to help me with pronunciation. It's so much fun. I hope I can have simple conversations by the time I go. Are you studying Japanese on your own, or are you taking a class?
I'm studying on my own for now, using apps and online resources. It's challenging, but I'm enjoying it. The writing system is tricky, but I'm getting better at it. Is Italian difficult for you?
It's not too difficult, but the pronunciation can be tricky. I'm listening to native speakers as much as possible. It helps a lot. Are you planning to try any traditional Japanese activities when you visit?
Definitely. I'm really excited to try a tea ceremony, and I want to visit some traditional gardens. I'm also hoping to attend a sumo match if I can. Are you planning to visit any specific places in Italy?
Yes, I want to see Rome, Florence, and Venice. I'm also thinking of taking a cooking class while I'm there. It would be amazing to learn how to make authentic Italian dishes. Are you planning to take any classes or workshops in Japan?
I'm hoping to take a calligraphy class. I have always admired the art form, and it would be incredible to learn from a master. I'm also considering a sushi making class, just for fun. It looks like we're both in for some amazing experiences.
Absolutely. I can't wait to hear all about your trip. We'll have so much to share when we get back. Let's make sure to keep in touch and update each other along the way.
For sure. I'm really looking forward to it. It's nice to have these plans to look forward to.
It really is. Talking about all this has made me even more excited. Let's stay connected, even while we're traveling.
Definitely. We can exchange tips and stories as we go. It's going to be great.
Absolutely. I'm already looking forward to our next catch-up. Take care, Emily, and enjoy all your adventures.
You too, Sarah. Talk to you soon, and safe travels.
I hope you liked this conversation. If it helped you improve your English a little more, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend. Thank you very much for your support. Take care.